Hello and welcome to the Danny Ruel channel. My channel is a smorgasbord of things. It's not the same topic, it's just a whole bunch of different things. If you haven't, please like, share, and subscribe. And you'll be surprised at certain things that I usually pop up with. I don't put up videos all the time, but when I do, I try to be as entertaining as possible. Today's video is going to be about a recipe called Keto Crack Slaw. It's supposed to be a keto recipe of beef crack slaw. I hope you enjoy it. It's supposed to be low carb. My channel was usually about me losing 150 pounds, but you know, during the COVID, I gained a little bit of the way back, and I'm still working on my journey. As you know, most people who are on a weight loss journey, it's a lifelong thing. And we have to keep going on and on and on because it becomes a lifestyle. So check it out. It's only 10 minutes. It only take about 10 minutes to make. If you can't make it in 10 minutes, then you need to really work on your cooking skills. I don't like to eat out a lot. I don't like that. I'm known as El Cheapo on Facebook. Actually, if you want to check me out on Facebook, I'm Danny Ruel on Facebook. I'm Danny Ruel1 on Instagram. And check me out. It's very entertaining. I make a lot of jokes. I talk a lot of politics. I talk a lot about, I make a lot of jokes. All right. So I'm starting to make some crack slaw. First, I'm frying the onions, peppers, a little bit of ginger. A cup full of onions and peppers, frozen onion and peppers, garlic, about 2 tablespoons, a little bit of this squeezable ginger. Let that stuff kind of like fry up in the pan before I put the meat. I wait until all of that water comes out of all of the onions and peppers and garlic, that little bit of water that's in it, when I'm frying it before I put my meat in, before I start cooking my meat to brown my meat. So I threw a pound of ground beef in there. Organic, this is organic beef, and grass-fed, whatever. You know, I'm gonna cut up this beef while it's in here. Then I'm gonna season it a little bit while it's in the pot. I just want to do this real quick. I'm trying this. This is what they call crack slaw, or egg roll in a bowl. You turn on the heat. Show you what kind of spices I'm gonna use. As you know, I like to put a lot of spice in my food. So first I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano, ground oregano. A little bit. It's a little bit of me, so I don't have to put a lot. This is rosemary. A little bit of rosemary. Organic turmeric or turmeric. White peppers usually goes into Asian dishes, so put some white pepper. Ground ginger. I hear ginger is the main ingredient in this. Like ginger is the main flavor because ginger is used in a lot of Asian dishes. Ground ginger, of course. Ground garlic. Last but not least, to put onion powder. They say to put in crushed red peppers, but because I'm using a chili paste with red peppers, I'm not putting all that heat in it. But you could if you want to. So now my meat is cooking. This is supposed to be low carb keto, and this meat, I don't think it was a fatty ground beef. Probably 90% lean. Let me check the package. So it's 85-15, 85 lean, 15 fat. And so now I'm gonna put in a bag of coleslaw. They say you could do it separate or do it all together. I'm gonna do it all together because I don't want to waste time. And they said, it's quick. I'm gonna mix all of it together. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, I'm gonna mix all this up together. I'm gonna throw some more ingredients in there while it's steaming up. No coleslaw is nothing but cabbage and freaking carrots. Right? Mix all that up. Throw some more flavors in here. I like my vegetables kind of crunchy, you know. I don't like them real soft. But so they say to add soy sauce, so I'm gonna add some. That's almost it. Soy sauce. That's probably like a tablespoon. A little bit of rice vinegar. That's what they say. A little bit of that. Chili garlic sauce. It's hot. So I would if I were you and I was gonna put it in here, I'm gonna be sparse with it. You don't want it really, really hot. Because that stuff is hot. I make rice, like kimchi rice with that. And it does make it pretty hot. So I'm gonna start with a heaping half tablespoon of that garlic paste. If it needs more, a little bit of that stuff goes a long way. And depending on how you like, how hot you, or how mild or how spicy you like your food. But that stuff goes a long way. And if anybody who, you know, knows about going to the bathroom after eating hot food, man, like that, if it's too hot, it goes in hot, comes out hot. You don't want it like that when you're trying to work out and lose weight. Oh man, made a little bit of a mess there because filming and cooking at the same time, it's not so easy. It smells good though. I'm going to add some more ginger. Smells good. They call this the freaking egg roll in the bowl. They say when it's done cooking, you put it in a bowl and you drizzle a little bit of sesame oil over it. But you don't cook it with the sesame oil because the sesame oil has a high smoke point and you don't cook with it. You just drizzle it over. I mean, not to say that I haven't cooked with sesame oil. I have cooked with sesame oil when I do my Asian chicken wings. That almost looks ready. Looks pretty good. And smells good. Oh, that's good. Wow. That is good. Oh yeah. That was enough hot. I could taste the heat. But it's missing something. To me, it's missing something. They say to add sugar. I'm going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Just a tad. That little bit of sweet Worcestershire. That's what it smells like it is. That's good though. That's really good. That's less than that. It took me about 10-15 minutes just to make. I'm the only one that's going to be eating this, so of course I could use the same spoon. Chloe don't eat this stuff. She won't even really touch vegetables so much. Like I try to puree them suckers so she can eat them. Oh yeah. That's it. It's done. This is it. This is the Keto Crack Slaw. I'm gonna use some sesame oil on top. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's it. Thing about sesame oil is very pungent too, so we have a very strong taste. We'll see what's what. Hope you can try it.